If you want to change the date and the time on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General Management. Under the General Management settings, just tap on Date and Time. Now, if you want to set the date and time manually, just disable Automatic Date and Time. And from here, just tap on Set Date, and you can set the date manually from this section. Then tap on Done. Now just tap on Set Time, and you will be able to set the time manually just like that. Now, if you open the Control Center, as you can see, we have successfully changed the date and time on our tablet. But what I recommend is just enable automatic date and time. Then after you enable this toggle, your tablet will automatically set the correct date and time according to your region. And if I open the Control Center, as you can see, we have set the correct date and time on our tablet. Just like that. And this is how you can change the date and time on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.